Hi, Deirdre here. Just thought I'd do a quick video on how to set the privacy of your WordPress site. Okay, so you're in the back end of your site here and go to, I'm just going to shrink that down here, go to manage, look for the cog there and go to manage and click on the little drop down. Okay, and then click on settings. So let's go to settings here. So when you initially set up your site in here, your site isn't launched and you need to launch the site before it's actually public. But in this setting at the moment, only you can see it and the lecturer can't see it. So what I'm going to suggest is that we launch the site, but we make it private, and then only me or you and whoever you add to the site can see the site. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to launch the site. So we're going to click on launch site, and we're just going to skip the purchase bit here. Okay, and continuing with your free site. Okay, and then in terms of settings again, we'll just check what the settings are now. At the moment it's public. Let's flip that over to private. Okay, and then we're going to click on save settings. Okay, so now it's a private site. Google won't be able to find it. Nobody else will be able to find it unless you actually specifically invite them. I'm going to show you now how you can actually invite people. Okay, so in the manage area again, we click on people. Okay, because I'm already in, that's who we're going to have be able to see it. So we're going to then click on invite here. So let's click on invite. Okay, put in an email of somebody in here. Okay, and either put them in as a viewer and then some sort of message, and then you can send the invitation and then they will be able to see it. So for me, because I'm your lecturer, I'd like you to put in my email address, which is Deirdre, Deirdre .macnamara @lyit.ie. Okay, and then put me in as put me in as an editor might be best. Okay, because this is me, I'm putting in, it's actually giving me an error. Put in your own name down here and then click on send invitation. Okay, that's it then.